Hi, I'm blizzard2100, or you also may know me as the creator of The Evil Water, Defying Death, and the new release, the animated short War Movie. Now, I'm just here to answer a few questions that you may know. First one, why is there no sound in War Movie? That is because I already put the words on the screen, so that should be enough for you. For those who it isn't, it's because, well, I made it on my iTouch, and iTouches don't have microphones. Okay? So you get your little cheap little butts, and you take what's best that's given to you. Now, for the second question, why did it take so long for another video to come out? Well, because my camera broke. See, it was on top of the trash can, and someone opened the trash can, the lid just kind of like knocked it off, and it was just one big ugly scene. So yeah, it's broken. Probably going to be able to make some new videos after Christmas. So for those of you who can't wait that long, I'm probably going to make some more animated videos. So, and War Movie Part 2 coming out soon, so stay tuned to blizzard2100. Bye. Still on? Oh God, it's still recording.